Okay, hold on. Maybe we'll go. Are you in the car?
Are you filming them?
Yeah, I'm filming.
They look happy.
Yeah.
They just went in the boiling area.
Okay.
Then go in.
Oh my gosh, here's another one.
The tree's shaking.
Yeah. Just stay in the car. He's coming. Stay in the car. Okay. Ooh. Oh, God almighty, it's huge. Oh my God.